I like it. Mama likes it. How very, very disappointing. Oopsie. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sena and this is Design Simply. And first of all, I want to say thank you guys for 2,000 subbies. I don't know if I thanked you already. I don't think I did. So thank you guys so much. And to all those that return and watch every video, I really appreciate it. For those that are new or still on the fence, I would really I'd really appreciate it if you guys perhaps consider hitting the subscribe button, consider giving this a like, consider leaving a comment. I don't know, sometimes I feel like when we come and talk here we're a bit too aggressive, like okay, like, comment, share, even though that's the nature and you kind of get the gist behind it. But perhaps instead of saying please, I'm just gonna say consider doing this. I hope you won't be disappointed if you do. I know you won't be, but yeah, I would really appreciate it. And please give it a like because that really helps me reach a broader audience. So if you're watching, and to all the returnees, thank you. Anyway, today we're doing a SUPERBALIST haul. Because I was going through SUPERBALIST, I've been actually wanting to do this for a while because every now and then I see something that I really like from SUPERBALIST. So I figured let me just clear some of my wish list items, see what they have. I tried not to spend too many things. I actually had a budget of, originally my budget was 1.5. I ended up spending about 2,200 or 300, somewhere in that range. And I also got a discount as I was shopping. I don't know if they still have that promotion going on, but I will leave a link to everything that we talk about over here. So yeah, let's go through the items that I got. So the first thing I got was a bath mat. Okay, I'm definitely gonna like speed through all of this unboxing because it's not that cute, you know. It makes the video super long, sometimes unnecessarily. Okay, so I got these colors because I kind of like this chair of mine that I'm sitting on that I got from Mr. Price. Like I really like the color of that chair, and I've just been drawn to. Okay, let me finish this. Oh my gosh, what are these? Oh, so much cleaning up I want to have to do. Why would they add these things? Okay, so there's nothing much to it. I just like the combination of the colors. I like this off-white along with this blue. I thought that would look cute and just simple, nothing major. So that's the bath mats I got. I also like the touch, the feel of it. It's not like fluffy. I'm not a fan of like bath mats that have too much fluff going on. Oh, I'm so annoyed with these things. So yeah, it looks like it will be durable and will last pretty long. So it's not like the most beautiful mats ever, but I like the simplicity and the color combination of it. So yeah, that's the first thing. And then I wonder what's inside these boxes. Oh, this is my candle holder. Okay, so in here we got this candle holder. I'm really excited about this. Oh my gosh, the color is perfect. It's so perfect. I wonder if I can't quickly go grab a candle. Okay, I'll just show you guys in the B-rolls. But this is how it looks. It's a single candle holder and the color gold. It's called the Nickel candle holder. And I really just like the finish of this. It actually looks very luxurious. I remember this being a little bit on the pricier end. I guess just because of how it looks, it does have that bronze goldish, you know, that's like very popular right now because you don't want the bright gold and sometimes you're not really into bronze. So like this is very nice. I really like this. Okay, this is so far my favorite. Okay, and then what was in here? Let's see. Oh, this is my vase. Okay, I need to remember to pick that up. This vase was made in China. I actually thought this was made in USA. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, I love this color. It actually looks so much nicer in person. And on the app, it looks a little bit white, but as you can see, it's more off-white with like a slight undertone of green. I'm hoping that the camera can pick this up. And I just love, I love these shapes so much. It's definitely like within the vibe that I want to go for, because I'm looking to do things a little bit more arts deco, but also postmodern. So, oh gosh, I'm liking so many of these things so far. I'm really happy with this selection. And I thought of this would just be like a few flowers, probably like 3 or 4, something very minimal. So I'm really happy with this item as well. Okay, so now I already unboxed this one, and I won't lie, I'm a little bit disappointed. So I got these faux flowers. I thought they would be a little bit cute. I'm just gonna open one. So I got these faux flowers. I don't know what the name of this flower is. Let's see. Needle Protea stem. So in the picture, I thought it would actually look very cute, but now looking at them live, I think they look. I hope this noise isn't bothering you guys, but looking at them now live, I feel like they look a little bit too faux. But the nice thing with this is that you can, seemingly you can like open it up a little bit and then just have them lay how you like. And then this is also bendy, which is nice. So you can like bend it up like this and put it in a vase. I'm assuming you could also cut them. Yeah, you can also cut them to make them shorter. But yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. I think they just look way too plastic. Yeah. So these I am gonna definitely return. I think this is the, okay, it doesn't say here, but I bought 2 of these colors. I bought the red ones, and then I also bought orangey yellow one. What's this? Huh, did I order this? I didn't order this. Okay, so I see the flower in here. That's what I ordered. I ordered this flower. So let me just open them out for you guys, and then you can compare the red and the orange, burnt orange. So yeah, I thought these 2 looked really, really cute together. And then I got another red one. I probably should have gotten this one as the other one, because it might be. So yeah, as I was saying, I don't like these. I think they look too plastic, unfortunately. I was really excited for these. And yeah, I also got this color because I'm really into red right now. Like, I love the color red as an accent color. I love it in flowers. So I got these hoping that it will help me not to buy fresh flowers more often. But anyway, oops, guys, I did not order this, and it came in the box that had the flower. So I'm a little bit intrigued as to what's going on. I did order a pillowcase, but this is not the one I ordered. So hopefully the one I ordered is somewhere in here. Yeah, these aren't colors I would ever order as a pillowcase. I do like the texture of it, like the different finishes. It might be someone else's style, but yeah, I'm not a huge fan. And it's just got this detail here at the back of how you would open it up. I don't even have a cushion. Ugh. Sigh. I'm about to say I'll put an inner in, but I don't actually have cushion inners. But yeah, I don't like this. But yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see the texture of it, but like this is the 3 different textures. that we got going on. I don't know. I'll have to go through my orders. Maybe they gave me something for free. Ooh. So this is our second last box. This one feels heavy though. I wonder what's in here. What's going on? Why are there 3 things in this box? So, ooh, there's 3 items in here. Okay, let's start with what I know I ordered. I don't know what. Oh, snap! I also ordered something else. How do I open this? So I'm really excited about this vase. Like, super excited. I feel like this is so postmodern because it's plastic. How gorgeous. Oh, it's got, oh, I thought it was a dent. How gorgeous, guys, is this vase? Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with it. I think it's so beautiful. It's so minimal and it's a little bit reflective. I think you guys will capture that as well. Oh, I don't know which one's my favorite now. I really like this. I didn't think I'd like it this much. I really like this. I love the color as well. I love how dark it is, but it doesn't feel too heavy because of the material and like its transparency and the fact that it has a little bit of a reflection going on. So it could act like as a mirror as well. And I do look super cute. So I also really like this. I love the round shape of it. I love how organic it is. And like I said, I'm really leaning into Art Deco and postmodernism. Those are like the 2 styles that I'm going to try and marry as much as I can within my budget. And I feel like this is definitely in the right step. So yay for that. The other one. This feels heavy. I think these are my coasters that I ordered. I've had the same coasters for like 2 years now. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know which coasters. Well, you might not know because it was like one of the first few posts I did when I started my channel. But I made these macrame coasters. And yeah, I'm over it. I did them because macrame was just so in. But I've never been a huge fan of macrame. I'm not really into like your indie boho vibes. I kind of, oh snap, this is what it is. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. This is another candle holder I got. So I've been wanting to DIY this for the longest time, and eventually I was just like, let me buy it. It's kind of stained a little bit, which tells me that it will get dirty quite quickly, so it's something you're gonna have to wipe down. But it's my candle holder. Why did I get 2 candle holders? I don't know, but it's like the knotted look. I really like this, but I don't like that it's got stains on it. But I have seen quite a few people DIY this. I think I'll also leave a link. And we might actually attempt to DIY because some things I have to return, guys. But like, this is how it looks. It's completely knotted, and then it has your space for your candle holder. I wonder how it sits. Okay, it looks like it actually could be sturdy. Looks like it's been leveled pretty well, but yeah, I really like this, but I'm not crazy. I'm not as crazy as I thought I would be about it, like the more I look at it. Yeah. It's still very beautiful though.
Yep, it's the coasters. They wrapped really well, which tells me that they probably won't be broken or damaged inside. So, oh guys, I am so messy.
I like it. Mama likes it. It's cringe. But yeah, this is how they look when they come boxed. Let me just try and strategically take one out. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh, why are these so beautiful? So it's got the gold and then the green marble effects. At the back it's just the marble. I was hoping it would have like those little stoppers or cushioners. I'm not sure what the right term is, but like, you know, those little black starty things that you get at the bottom. But I don't think they would scratch the surface, but you definitely would prefer to just lift it up than like slide it through. But yeah, these are so elegant, guys. Let me compare one to the other because this one looks like you can almost see the glue. But also at the same time, I like how the golds aren't, like no one is identical because it is natural materials. So these look very, very luxurious. I am really pleased with how these look. And I feel like they're so grown. Yay me, guys. Like, I like this for me. Okay. But yeah, these are gorgeous. I'm obsessed with them. I really, really like these. Okay, we're done with this box. And now the final box that we're doing is this massive box over here. Huh. Interesting. SUPERBALIST, you guys, this is just not conscious packaging whatsoever. Why is there so much space? And why is it like another box? I'm really not impressed with their packaging or how they choose to box their items. I feel like it's so wasteful. But also it is paper, so it is recyclable. But like, I don't always like when they put the owens on the customer to recycle when you are the bigger company, you're the bigger production, so you could just be more conscious. What is this? Is this not my pillowcase? Oh, they gave me the wrong pillowcase. That is annoying AF. But anyway, this is a decanter that I got because I don't have one, and I just think decanters are really nice for when you're entertaining. So on days that I'm able to get out of bed, and maybe invite a friend or two. Oh gosh, I actually like this a lot better than I thought it was. So I chose this because it's pretty simple. It's also one of like the cheapest decanters that they had. One thing I don't like is that it doesn't have any stopper or any sorts. So it's one of those things like if you're using it from like a cork and you don't have those. Okay, anyway, I'm talking too much. I wish it had something I could put inside, like a balliki or something, a cork ball. It's just so like if I'm hosting the whole day, it's okay. But I really like this. I really like the shape. It's such a traditional decanter. Not so much your whiskey, but like it's a very traditional wine decanter. And I love like the light reflections of it as well. Oh gosh, I just think it's very whimsical. I don't think I'd like so many things because I need to return some of these items, but like I'm so on the fence about what I'm returning. I really, really like this. I think it's so gorgeous. And I'm obsessed with the colors that are reflecting off it because, you know, guys, I love color. So, I mean, the shape, like I said, is a bit traditional. There's nothing overly special, but it's just a light reflection. It's got that whimsical feel. And I just think it would be really fun. Like, imagine your wine in here and just pouring it out. Oops. Okay, that is everything, guys. I am so sad about my pillow. I'll show you guys what I ordered, but I ordered a black and white pillow, and this is not it. This is not it. How disappointing, SUPERBALIST. How very, very disappointing. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like this. Let me know what you guys think of some of the items, which items you're loving, which items you just like, I can do without. I hope I showed you guys a little bit of a different style to what you might be used to. I hope I'm introducing color to you guys because I know it's so weird. Like I was watching some reviews and things about like Gen Z and Gen X, and I feel like the Gen Zs are like my spirit animal because I'm not Gen X, Gen Z and millennials. I'm a millennial, but I feel like the Gen Z are like my spirit animal somewhat because I love their disruptive nature. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't know why I added that extra piece. Let me know what you guys think, what items you absolutely love, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.